SUNMI Technology is an IoT technology company pioneering innovations in the global intelligent commercial hardware sector. The company is also a part of Xiaomi's ecological chain. We are committed to building an interconnected business world with smart commercial terminals and IoT devices worldwide. We provide a full range of intelligent commercial hardware solutions for businesses worldwide, including handhelds, desktops, as well as self-service equipment and accessories. We look to continuously create high-quality products that provide customers with cost-effective solutions and experiences. To achieve this goal, we have formed a world-class software and hardware R&D team. Furthermore, we have the world-leading manufacturing base. The base has the capabilities for fully automated production, testing and quality control processes, including IQC, IPQC, and OQC, ensuring that every device or piece of equipment delivered is a high-quality one. In order to avoid any damage caused by static electricity, every person entering factory workshops must undergo an electrostatic discharge (ESD) test. From the production dashboard in the workshop, we can clearly know the number of inputs, outputs, defects, and yield of each station during each time interval, effectively controlling the efficiency and yield of the production line. All steps in the production process, whether for a single component or for a complete device or piece of equipment, must be strictly followed by all employees involved. Assembled devices or pieces of equipment shall undergo a drop test to prevent any operator-induced defects during the assembly process. In addition, the devices need multiple functional tests and the electric current test, coupling test, appearance check, burn-in test. After a series of tests and being placed in the packaging materials, according to several strict and standardized packing procedures, a qualified SUNMI product was born. In order to further verify and ensure the quality of everything we manufacture, we will continue to sample and retest all finished products. Product applications must be tested in various environments, including endurance to low and high temperatures, as well as high temperature and high humidity impact tests. A button reliability test must be undertaken to determine the service life of buttons and ensure they do not malfunction even after long-term use. A drop test must be carried out to ensure the product can meet all client expectations around normal use, especially in terms of drop impact. A free-fall test for reliability must be performed to ensure the product can withstand the impact as the result of a drop from a substantial height. A TP-Link touchscreen test is undertaken to detect the service life of the touchscreen. A micro-drop test from a height of 10 centimeters is carried out to ensure that our products can meet consumer expectations for durability during normal use. A dust test must be performed to verify that all products are properly sealed along all seam points. After 38 strict and complex steps that are part of the assembly, testing, and packaging processes, including sampling and retesting, we strive to deliver perfectly functioning, defect-free products to every user.